Hey guys, welcome back to Uncommon Voyagers. I know it's been a long time again. I've been just so busy getting ready to move. You can see Greg in the background there getting some petrol for us. I just dropped off my laptop for work. So my laptop, my pass, everything's been deactivated. It's the end of an era. It was a little bit anticlimactic. But yeah, Greg just drove through the city, dropped me off. I ran my laptop and pass in, and then ran back down, and he'd gone around the block and popped me in the car, and now we're coming to get petrol. But so we leave for Thailand on next Monday, and we'll be there for a month. We come back for a few days to Australia. It's kind of like a practice run. Come back, and then we are off to Italy. And when we arrive, fingers crossed, we can get the keys to our new place. So last time I did a video, I think I was talking about a place we really liked in Atessa, and we ended up not actually going ahead with that. It was just going to be too much work. Greg got scared, and I was really scared about how much work would needed to be done. I really loved the place, but we just kind of thought it was a little bit crazy. We'd rather be there and suss things out a bit. So long story short, I'll give you an update when more things happen, probably from the airport when we leave next Monday. But basically, we bought a place in Sulmona. That's the teaser. So we bought a place in Sulmona. I've just handed my laptop in. Greg, say hi.
Hello.
Greg is about to drop his stuff. And yeah, it's getting real. A week until we leave. We've still got loads to do, unfortunately. But yeah, sorry for not doing any videos in such a long time and all that sort of stuff, but it's just been crazy. So anyway, that's a little teaser. We bought a place in Sulmona. Very exciting. And yeah, I'll give you an update again when I can. Bye.